Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of natural fertility enhancers, focusing on powerful herbs known for their ability to support reproductive health and increase fertility. In this video, I am going to cover 10 herbs, but there will be an additional video with different herbs that are also fertility enhancers. Whether you're trying to conceive or simply looking to balance your hormones naturally, these herbs can be an excellent addition to your wellness routine. Let's explore how each of these herbs works and how you can incorporate them into your daily life. First up, we have maca root, a powerful adaptogen that has been used for centuries to enhance fertility and boost libido. Maca works by balancing hormones, which is essential for both men and women. In men, it improves sperm quality and increases libido. In women, maca supports overall fertility by helping to regulate hormonal balance, making it easier to conceive. Next, let's talk about Vitex, also known as chaste tree berry. This herb is particularly beneficial for women with irregular menstrual cycles or luteal phase defects. Vitex works by regulating the menstrual cycle, promoting ovulation, and balancing progesterone levels, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy pregnancy. Red raspberry leaf is another fantastic herb for fertility. Rich in vitamins and minerals, this herb is known for strengthening the uterine lining, regulating menstrual cycles, and easing menstrual discomfort. It's often referred to as the woman's herb because of its broad benefits for reproductive health. Ashwagandha is a well-known adaptogen that helps the body manage stress, which is a crucial factor in fertility. High stress levels can disrupt hormonal balance, making it more difficult to conceive. Ashwagandha helps to balance these hormones and improve overall fertility. It's also beneficial for men as it boosts testosterone levels and improves sperm quality. Tribulus is an herb that supports ovulation and improves overall fertility in women. For men, Tribulus is known to enhance libido and improve sperm count and motility, making it a powerful herb for boosting reproductive health in both genders. Dong Quai, often referred to as the female ginseng, is a traditional Chinese herb that has been used for centuries to support women's health. It helps regulate the menstrual cycle, improve blood flow to the reproductive organs, and balance hormones. Dong Quai is particularly helpful for women with irregular periods or those experiencing menopausal symptoms. Shatavari is an Ayurvedic herb known for its ability to support female reproductive health. It helps balance hormones, improve ovulation, and increase cervical mucus, which is essential for conception. Shatavari is also used to support lactation, making it a valuable herb for women throughout different stages of life. Evening primrose oil is rich in gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA, which plays a key role in improving the quality of cervical mucus. This makes it easier for sperm to reach the egg, increasing the chances of conception. Evening primrose oil also helps regulate menstrual cycles, supporting overall reproductive health. Nettle leaf is a highly nutritious herb that supports overall reproductive health. It helps balance hormones, strengthens the uterus, and supports the adrenal glands, which are crucial for hormonal balance. Nettle is a great all-around tonic for fertility and overall wellness. Last but not least, we have ginkgo biloba, an herb that improves blood flow to the reproductive organs, enhances libido, and supports overall reproductive health in both men and women. Ginkgo is also known for its antioxidant properties, which help protect cells from damage and support fertility. These 10 herbs offer powerful, natural support for reproductive health and fertility. Whether you're looking to balance your hormones, improve ovulation, or enhance sperm quality, these herbs can be an excellent addition to your wellness routine. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen.